Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. Got a kind of well, it's not actually unboxing, I guess it's an unbagging. I ordered something here to help out with heating the house up. Yeah, something else to help out with the heating the house up. So, I hope this is it. Looks like it, possibly. Little box, so I guess it is an unboxing. Yes. Okay, so what is it? All right, so it's 5 aluminum plates, 1/8 inch thick, and it has to go or deal with the Mr. Heater Buddy and the fans. All right, so we're going to go take a look-see. Actually, let me go get the Mr. Heater, bring it in here, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. All right, so this is the one I have in the master bath. And so, you know, watching my other video, I had I used a bolt on here to keep it so it's tilted. Well, this gets hot, and it has this special little thing here, this metal strip here. When it gets too hot, it flexes out and lifts the front end up so it doesn't conduct quite as much heat. Little safety thing there. So, what I want to do here, and I've noticed some issues on the other side there. So I'm going to take several of these. I'm going to stick 2 of them in this way so that it has a good surface of balance. I could probably get away with 1, but I'm going to stick 2 in, and got 2 others that I'm going to sit here on top to give it a spacer. Because if I just put it in here, it's really leaning forward quite a bit more than I want it to. And if I put just 1 on top, it's still leaning forward a bit. It might work okay, but I'm not sure. So I just feel better if I put 2 on there that way. No. Let me look at it here. Yeah, I'm going to put 2 on there. So pick this up and slide the second one in. Okay, that tilts it, gives it just a slight increase to the front. Probably about 1/16 of an inch, maybe. So with it like this, let's go ahead and do this here. Come on. There we go. Pilot's going. Turn it on low, and we'll give it a shot here. And if this works really good, I'll order another box of these. Or what I may want to do is cutting one of these in half and setting it on there so it spaces it. Might give me the opportunity to do this right. But we're going to give it a minute here. I can feel the heat coming off of it. But since these plates here are probably, I would say, 3 times as thick as the bottom plate on the fan here. You can see if I put them next to each other, if I get it at the right angle here, it's a lot thicker. So put that on there, and we'll see how well this works here in a minute. It's probably going to take a few minutes, so I'll go ahead and I'll just fast forward here while it heats up. Generally, it takes about something this thick. It's probably going to take about 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes for this to heat up to start transferring the heat into the fan unit. While we're waiting for that, I'll pass on some information to you. every Tuesday night on Tactical Tuesday here on Gray Man Prepping, I'm going to be having giveaways. I'm going to do at least 3 giveaways, and they're going to be $5 each, Amazon gift cards. And so there'll be one is specifically for channel members. Actually, 2 of them are for channel members, but one is like a wheel of names. Have all the channel numbers on there, and it spins, and it's just totally random. If they're in the chat, they win. The other channel member one is going to be a question off of one of my videos. Oh, it's starting to go. And it's anything in the video that from the morning of Wednesday morning through Tuesday afternoon before the next Tactical Tuesday. It'll be only on those videos. So I'm not going to throw any, pull any questions from way back videos. That wouldn't be fair. So, and it's picking up speed pretty good here. So it looks like this is going to work really good, and I can use this in the bathroom to circulate the air around in there and heat it up. So my back doesn't lock up when I take a shower. In fact, I may stick this on next week's, not this Tuesday, because I'm going to put this out on what, so this is coming out on Wednesday. So it'll be on the March 8th, I believe it is, Tactical Tuesday. And that's going to be the question is, why am I heating up the bathroom? The answer is, so my back doesn't lock up. Because I got 3 bulging discs and 2 protruding discs, and when the muscles get cold there, they kind of, and all it takes is a little bit of pressure, and I go, and I go into pain. All right, so before I take off, I am going to put a video up over here that you'll find interesting. I'll put a playlist down here. I'll put another video over here, and I'll put a link to Camp Pet and Family Compound, my gardening channel over here. And you ought to check them out. Why? Well, this is why.